Hi, so today we are going to make a video review of G-Shock, Casio G-Shock GBD-200-1ER. So basically, let's see what is inside this box. So yeah, it's covered, but yeah, here you can see it. GBD-200-1ER. That's what I heard is one of the, you can say, slim and small for the small wrists. So basically, let's see what's going on in this box. Alright, so what we have here is the Casio Europe warranty card. Yes, so this is the warranty card. Model date, I don't think so someone ever uses, but okay. Let's put it on side, and the booklet, of course, how to use it. Let me check it out. What is in this booklet? Okay, it's about the only warranty card, so it's not that useful anyway. This is the booklet. Let's say that tell you about information of different things. For example, here you can have what tells you what in every language. So this is I think in Spanish, and I hope we can find another language the same thing. Yes, so we have it, but okay, let's leave that. And here we have the box of G-Shock. Pretty nice. It's a metal box. I think it comes with every G-Shock, so let's open it up. Alright, so we have protection above, and then we have the watch itself. Alright. Okay, so let's have a comparison. I've been using this watch, which is Amazfit Neo, which I like the most. I'm using this for like around 2.5 years or more. And then we have for comparison this. So basically, if I would say it's a bit big and much bulkier than this watch, than the Amazfit. Of course, this battery works for around 20-25 days. It does include everything like battery percentage, distance covered, calories, heart rate, wear time, alarm, stopwatch, basically timer, and the steps actually. So in this watch, what we can see here is that we have a bit bulkier watch, I would say. And the light, let's check the light. Okay, it's not bad for the night. And then we have the workout timer, the stopwatch, so you can start this button, stop with this button, and then you can reset with this button. And then we have the activity, distance, pace, and so on. And then we can go down to see different stuff. Let's go on. And then you have notifications, so email or message, call, calendar notification, and so on. So that's all about this. So basically, I would say it does include everything, and it is waterproof. But okay, I think based on the size, it is okay. Based on what you call the thickness, is a bit bulkier, I would say, but for the dimension of like for the small wrist, it's okay. So let me check it on my wrist, because my wrist is pretty small. So let's see. All right, it does look okay. It's not bulkier at all. Like it does not look big for the wrist. So I would say for this one, I would say if I have to choose the G-Shock, the smartwatch, actually smart G-Shock, I would definitely go for this one, because all others, which are the round version of it, they are always very bulky, so I would definitely go with this. And the battery, I heard, is if you keep connected with the phone, keep getting notification, it will last around 1 year. And if you don't do that often, means once a week, to synchronize your steps and everything and workout, it would give you around, what, I think 2 years, 1.5 to 2 years. So I would definitely go for this watch. I like this much, really good. If you have any questions about this watch, perfect. Of course, people say the negative display, it would be better, but I would say, okay, with respect to that, it's not bad. I would say it's okay. And basically, I don't like the smartwatch, which you have to charge every day, although Apple costs like hundreds of dollars. But I would say this is much better. This costs around, in Europe, 150 euros. I got in discount, I think 119. But if you buy from Amazon, you can pay in installments. So every month you pay around 25 euros, I would say 25 euros. And you can pay in 5 to 6 months without paying extra single cent above it. So there is no interest involved. So definitely I would recommend that. And I would, of course, request you to please like, share, and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question about this, or you want review of some other watch which you think and which you can of course get here in Europe, I would definitely try that. So thank you for watching.